Tips to get clear skin and create a radiant glow. First, make sure to cleanse your skin daily with a gentle cleanser. This will help remove dirt, oil, and impurities from your skin while preventing clogged pores. Make sure to exfoliate your skin a few times a week. Exfoliating your skin can help get rid of dead skin cells, which can help improve the appearance of your skin. Another tip is to use a moisturizer appropriate for your skin type. A moisturizer helps to keep your skin hydrated and prevents it from becoming dry and irritated. Additionally, make sure to use sunscreen with an SPF of 30-50 higher daily, even when it's cloudy. Sun protection is essential for preventing damage from the sun's UV rays. Finally, make sure to eat a balanced diet and stay hydrated. Your skin can get the essential nutrients from a balanced diet with plenty of fruits and vegetables. Drinking plenty of water can help flush out toxins and keep your skin hydrated. Learn more by reading our blog articles at www.slimeandbeauty.com.